What's going on, guys? This is Brandon over here at McDermott Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our 35-inch tire version of our Pro R storage box tire carrier combos on this RZR Pro R. Okay, so for the first step, you're going to be taking off this vent cover on the inside here. So it's going to be these two push pin like body clips. So you're going to be using a body tool just to take these off. With those two pins out, you can then pull this vent cover off. And then you're done with the first step. Okay, now that you have both of those inside vent covers out, you can go ahead and come to the back of the car, and using a T40 hex bit, you're gonna be taking these last two bolts out before you put the box in the car. With those two bolts out, you can go ahead and grab your box and place it in the car. Okay, with everything out of the way now, you can go ahead and grab your box and set it into your bed. This box is form fit to the bed, so it will just drop right in. If it doesn't feel like it's going down all the way, when you bolt it and secure it to the car, it'll suck it down the rest of the way. With your box now installed, you can go ahead and open the lid. And then using the provided hardware, you're going to be using the Polaris factory lock and ride holes to go underneath through the bottom, and then the nut is going to capture this inside of the box. Okay, now with all four Polaris lock and ride holes filled with hardware, you can go ahead and reinstall the two T40 Torx bits right up front. Now just mind you that everything is still loose. You're going to tighten everything later on the install. Now with all your hardware installed, you're going to be using a 15mm socket, a ratchet, and an 8mm Allen key to tighten your lock and ride fasteners, and then you're going to be using a T40 Torx bit to tighten the two bolts right up front. Now, with everything tight, your install is now complete. I'm going to show you how to pull the box out with it still being in the bed for serviceability purposes on these Pro Rs. There's going to be 4 T40 Torx bolts. There's going to be 2 on the outside, and then those front 2 that are inside the box need to come back out in order to pull the bed out. That's it, you're done with the install. The only thing left to do is to go out there and enjoy your brand new storage box and tire carrier combo.